There are a bunch of Flutter widgets that feature sliding, from slider itself all the way up to dismissible and draggable. If you're looking to implement your own though, a good widget to know is AnimatedPositioned. It fits into a stack's list of children just like a regular positioned widget. And, just like positioned, it will put its child exactly where you want it. The difference is that if you rebuild AnimatedPositioned with different direction or width height values, it will animate the change automatically. This is great for reveal effects and other sliding tricks. Plus, because all of the directional properties are used in the animation, your widget can grow and shrink as part of it. For more info on AnimatedPositioned and all the other Flutter widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.